Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you how I make this delicious spaghetti jollof or jollof spaghetti, anyone anyhow you want to put it. So I'll be using chicken breast. Feel free to use any protein of your choice, beef or whatever. So this chicken breast, of course, it doesn't really have that sweet taste, so I force it to be tasty. And this is what I do. As you can see, I use my fork to poke all of the chickens so that the water inside of it will find a way to come out, and then giving enough room for my spices or seasonings to really get into the chicken so that it will be sweet. I'll go in with some chicken seasoning, some thyme, chopped garlic, onion, bouillon cube, my smoked paprika. You can replace that with any pepper of your choice. So I will mix everything up and then place on heat for just 2 to 3 minutes. So this is after 3 minutes, I guess. Yeah, after 3 minutes, I can see the water inside of it it's come out, and I believe by now the seasoning must have gotten into it. I'll go ahead to add more water to cook. Is it that you do it this way by poking the chicken, or you slice it into smaller bites? I'll be frying it for some minutes, not for it to be that dry. I just want the surface to be a bit punchy, not like too much. So this is the tomatoes and bell peppers I'll be using. So this is just how I want the chicken to look. So I just went in with some ginger and garlic and onion, salt to taste, tomato puree or whatever just went in. At this point, I'll start boiling my spaghetti. It's good to get your sauce ready before you start cooking the spaghetti. So in a pot, I was already boiling water before now, so the water is boiled. I just added some salt. I'll go in with little vegetable oil. This is to help the spaghetti not to stick together. Also helping, not just putting the spaghetti, just help separate the spaghetti with your spatula, just as I'm doing. Some bouillon cube, curry powder, and little chicken seasoning powder. There's the stock from the meat we cooked earlier. So I'll go ahead to mix everything properly, and I'm not forgetting that we are using veggies for this recipe. This is carrots and green bell pepper. Of course, there is still spring onion. I will introduce that later. The chicken I fried earlier, I just want it to be extra tasty. I pour them into the tomato sauce and bringing them out immediately. It's just to coat the surface with the sauce. Now, can you see? The spaghetti is ready. I'm adding it in. Mix up everything gradually. Our spring onion just went in. And that's the last part of this, and then mix and mix and mix till everything is well combined. Our jollof spaghetti is ready, guys. This was so good, like it tasted so good. So if you want it kind of slippery, you can add more water, like just little. If you want it slippery, the type that you be just add little water to it and mix. Or if you have chicken stock already in your fridge, you can just add a little. Then you are good to go. Thank you, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a massive thumbs up. A massive thumbs up, and also share this video link to your friends and families. I love you all.